Hello, I'm Mary Dries. As president of Assistance League of Minneapolis and St. Paul, it's my honor to be able to speak to you today about our organization, which has been transforming lives and strengthening communities for over 20 years. Assistance League of Minneapolis and St. Paul is a Twin Cities-based nonprofit organization that's dedicated to improving the lives of children and families. Our programs focus primarily on meeting essential needs in order to help low-income and disadvantaged students achieve success in school. Our 180 member volunteers operate our programs and provide more than 35,000 volunteer hours each year. Working closely with our partner school districts in Minneapolis, Richfield, and St. Paul, we strive to boost educational outcomes by addressing underlying issues that impact low-income families and students by providing school clothing, weekend food, literacy support, and other enrichment programs. Our programs are funded through our Assistance League Thrift Shop sales, which is located in Richfield, grants, and donations from individuals and community supporters. Now more than ever, the need in the community we serve is high. We are so grateful to have received the Giving Women grant to help fund our Links to Learning program. This program fills an urgent need for teachers and allows them to provide enrichment experiences to their students that fall outside their budgets. Grants of up to $750 are awarded, and this past year we were able to fund 135 teacher grants totaling $88,000. Over 20,000 students in 60 schools across 3 districts benefited from these grants. Some of what we funded included a community bike club, biofeedback awareness activities, nature exploration, coding and robotics, spoken word poetry, and a civil rights heritage trip. When schools moved to distance learning this past spring, some teachers repurposed their grants to meet unforeseen needs. For example, a special education teacher bought inexpensive Chromebooks, loaded them with the necessary software, and delivered them to her students in order to facilitate online learning. A St. Paul teacher purchased stamps and stationery so she could send a weekly letter to her students. And a North Minneapolis media teacher used her money to purchase digital and audio books to help her students stay connected to reading during the pandemic. Teachers have many creative ideas to provide their students with exceptional learning experiences, but all too often are limited by district funding. With your grant, our Links to Learning program will be able to turn these ideas into reality. Thank you again for your support.